Hi guys, welcome back to Bev Brown Little Garden. Now I'm gonna show you guys what the papaya look like now. Okay, see this one? See this one? They're getting big now, guys. Soon ready to be picked. Yeah, they are getting big, and some young one are there. Don't know if you can see them. Yeah, some young ones are there. That's the papaya. And see some up here. Yeah, guys. Bev Brown soon have papaya to eat. Yeah, they are big. They are getting big. Bev Brown soon get to pick her papaya and eat them. Make juice with them. Yeah, guys. Pull off this whisk hold on this one. The whisk one can kill the papaya. Them after them come so big. The whisk ready to come and snatch them up, tie them up. This one up here now just have on this one on it, but it is blossoming as you can see, sending out blossoms. The blossom, see the blossom there and some young ones there. Yeah, so this one I'm gonna bear one so far, but give thanks. And the blossom coming out. So Bev Brown soon have papaya to eat, and see the banana what I was telling you about. See it there, guys. Yeah, getting bigger and bigger. The navel there. When I show you first, it was just a navel. You could hardly recognize it, but see it there now, getting big. Soon get ready to be cut now, but you have to cut off the navel for it to get, full up the right way. When the navel cut off, it full up quickly. Okay, guys. And this is a planting tree. Yeah, a little planting tree coming up. Welcome to Bev Brown Garden, man. Yeah, man. Soon get to eat my papaya. Soon get to eat my papaya, guys. They are coming to come. Yeah. Bev Brown papaya coming to come.
So Dan, I want to carry on, I know.
Yeah, guys, the guineps that I show you, see them there? Lots of guineps on the tree because they're at the roadside. They are picking them off. So it was a lot more guineps, but they pick them off, guys. So it's just a few hanging down. All the ones them that were nearby gone. They pick them off. The children then pass and pick them. The other day a lot of guineps were there, but they're all gone at this moment. Then pick them off. So you can see a little. Yeah. 1 and 2 left on the tree. They pick them off because they are so low. So the children then pass by and pick them. Sat and Tai do the same thing too. See Sat with stick up there trying to pull down that bunch. Wow, made of the guineps. Yeah, so you see the country very fruitful. Lot of fruits in the country. Yeah, guys, see the planting I was showing you. Yeah, the planting getting bigger and bigger. Yeah, guys, bigger and bigger. Soon get to cut the planting. Welcome to Bev Brown country. Welcome to nature. See another one there? Yeah. See another one there coming. It's not full yet, it's young. But the next one ready to be cut. Yeah. Ready to be eaten. To make porridge. Put to ripe and fry. Yeah, guys. And see a lot more planting there. A lot of other planting. See that one there? Young. That one just coming out. Young. Yep. Same some other one there, they are young. They're not fit up the right way yet. Yeah. Mango tree, you see them put on new leaf. Shed off the dry leaf, them and they put on some new leaf. That's the coconut tree. A lot of coconuts on it. Yeah, guys, that's the coconut tree. A lot of coconuts. Yeah. Planting coconuts. A lot of trees. Yeah, that's Bev Brown country. Yep. Fruitful, you know. In the country, it's very fruitful. Can't hungry in the country at all. You have a lot of things to eat. You're hungry, just pick a jelly, drink it, cut it, eat the flesh. Delicious. Yeah. Waiting on sat and tai. Okay, I'm on the road now. Walking on the road. I am on the road. Yes, guys, this is a different type of banana. That's a Ghost Mitchell. Yes, ripened banana. This one now, you cannot cook it. It have to full up and then you cut it. Let it drain for 3 days and hand it up. Put it in trash, in a box or a barrel to ripe. That's Ghost Mitchell. Follow Bev Brown. Yes, another plant in there. So ready to cut. Yeah, planting. Lots of planting in Bev Brown country, and this is guava. Guava. So for those who don't know guava, this is guava. They are young. They are young. Young guava. Yeah. Because the time is kind of dark. Yeah, these are guava. Don't know if you see me clearly. Dark. So these are guava, lots of guava on the trees. And these are some little ones, blossoms. Lots and lots of guava, guys. Start laughing at me. I'm going to the pine and then I go to the cherry tree and then to the breadfruit tree. So these are pineapple, but these are the ones them not start bearing as yet. You see what they look like? Yes, and these are the ones that bear. So it is pineapple. So yeah, and these are maca and the pine that will juke you. If you don't know how to angle it, maca juke you, guys. This one break down. Yeah, that's pineapple. These are not ready to cut as yet. They are young. Yes, guys. So see what pineapple look like. Yeah, see one there. They're still not fit yet. Yes, guys. So these are pineapples. And the guava and the pineapple make nice juice. When the pine is ripe, you cut it, wash it, cut it with the ripe guava, and then you blend them together in this hot summertime. It's good to make juice. Yes, guys, Bev Brown taking you guys through nature. These are cherries, but these are the ones that are not fit as yet. So you see they are not ripe. So see some there now. 1 and 2 ripe ones on it. Yes, guys. Cherry tree is a bit tall, taller than Bev Brown. And the night is coming down, so the hair is a little dark, but you can see 1 and 2 red cherries. Yes, guys, you can see 1 and 2 red cherries in the tree. So Bev Brown taking you guys back into nature once again. These cherries, yeah, see some ripe one there, guys. Yeah, some ripe cherries there, guys. See some ripe one there pulled on the limb, and a lot of cherry up there in the top there. Yeah, cherry man make nice juice, cherry juice. You see some ripe one here, guys. Ripe cherry, yeah. 1 and 2 ripe cherries are there. Yay. Yes, guys. So this is my nature walk again. I'm gonna take you to the breadfruit tree, and that's it, because it's a little dark at the moment, you know. Yeah, guys, come now, the breadfruit tree. Want you to see the breadfruits. Breadfruits, a lot of fruits are on the tree, a lot of breadfruits are there. Yeah, some can roast now. Those, some green to cook, and then you have a lot in the pint there what can roast, can pick. You pick it, break out the stem, and these two can roast. Break out the stem and let them drain. Then you push the knife through this where the stem was and put it on the fire, and you roast it. You have it with saltfish or ackee and saltfish or salt mackerel, even steamed fish or ceviche fish, anything you can eat with chicken, anything at all. These are the young ones. So welcome to Bev Brown country and welcome to nature. Lots of fruits, guys, in the country. You cannot live in the country and hungry. No. Too much things to choose from. So these are the mangoes. They are getting bigger and bigger every day. And the tree is fully loaded. Yes, guys. Come, let we turn down with pot. When mango time, guys, you don't have to eat any food. All pots turn down. And you get your mango time, as what Louise Bennett said. Mango time. Wash out your pot and turn it down. A mango time. Welcome. Welcome, guys, to my country and to my fruits. All my fruits tree that I've shown you guys. So you see, Bev Brown have a lot of fruits in our country. Who want to come to Bev Brown country? Let me know. To come and eat up some of these lovely mango in the summer. And cherry, pine, guava, papaya, coconut. All of those lovely things. And how can I forget guineps and some ripe plantains and green plantain where you cut it up, man, and fry it and press it and fry it, put salt on it, so nice. And the ripe one, you just slice him up and fry him up, eat him with bread. So nice also. And make your plantain porridge. And also the banana, good old banana, where you cook it and eat it with your saltfish and hockey also, one salt, mackerel tin, mackerel chicken, anything you want to eat it with. A lot of things in the country, guys. Welcome to my country. Welcome to my community. Bev Brown. Fruits and everything that I've shown you guys. So I hope you like my video. Bev Brown gonna be out of here now because the night is coming down, guys. So see you, catch you guys. Peace out. Love you guys. Remember to like my videos, share my videos. Who don't subscribe to my videos. Share them, thumbs up. Ring that notification bell. Thanks, guys, for watching. Bye.